Are you familiar with the Belgian manufacturing industry, the sector engaged in the creation of new products from raw materials? Located in the center of Europe, we develop and assemble electric vehicles, which contribute to the CO2 standards, agricultural machinery to put bread on the table, high-tech weaving machines which make your new trousers, and countless other products that contribute to our daily comfort. Our manufacturing industry is running at full speed. Roughly 70% of the goods Belgian companies produce are exported. The money that flows back does not only offer job security, but also guarantees increased employment. 1 in 4 Belgians earns an income thanks to the manufacturing industry. The money we earn, we spend on products made in industry or on services. This allows us to maintain a high level of prosperity in our country in terms of purchasing power, education, safety, social security, and advanced healthcare. The manufacturing industry is the driving force of our economy, and thus indispensable. That was the case half a century ago, is the case now even in pandemic times, and will be the case for generations to come. Our companies, promising startups, and numerous SMEs are in constant evolution, becoming more high-tech, investing in renewable energy, as well as CO2-neutral production processes. Moreover, we are a true hotspot in terms of engineering and innovation, which is what binds multinationals to Belgian talent. The manufacturing industry is a catalyst for jobs, prosperity, growth, new investments, our future.